How to change your audio into an AI voice like this.
Like this.
Or even like this.
Using the CapCut app. Import your audio into the CapCut app editing project. Then, open the voice effects menu. Then here, there are several AI voice categories that you can choose from, such as basic, funny, synth, retro, and even speech to song. Select the voice effect you want. For example, the voice effect that people often use on TikTok is Trickster, in the funny category.
This is my voice, which will be converted into an AI voice.
Some of the AI voices here also have adjustments that we can set ourselves.
This is my voice, which will be converted into an AI voice.
Anyway, choose the one you like, and you're done.
This is my voice, which will be converted into an AI voice.
With these simple steps, you can now change the audio voice in your video to AI voice. So guys, thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.